life's all about not reaching to a destination.
A best-selling author, coach, we have author, writer, film critic.
So I'm enjoying.
So Tanmay All right, so today we have with us a best-selling author, a film critic, and we also have a person who is a keen interest not in the writing industry, but in the sports industry, in the profession industry, in the corporate culture. So Tanmay Dubey is all about everything that is happening, and this person knows that how to drive force, and then he also knows how to create a balance out of it. So with so much happening around you, sir, what is your current, like, how you are feeling right now? Because you have every possible thing that one can imagine of. You are into different fields, you're into different dynamics. So how does that feel?
Well, I would say it feels a lot to be achieved more, a lot to be done more. I am not even 10% of what the bigger plans and the pictures I have in my mind. So I do not feel I would say contented at all. There's a huge task ahead. I'm enjoying the process. I'm enjoying my writing. I'm enjoying my coaching. I'm enjoying my professional IT world job and my running and physical exercises and everything. So I think life's all about not reaching to a destination, but enjoying the process, enjoying your journey. And while you move on from one destination to another, I think there would always be, one step ahead. Ab mujhe kahan jana hai, ab aage kahan jana hai. That whole thing will always come up. So the key is I am enjoying and I'm learning day by day, and there is a lot to be done still yet.
Okay, great. So basically you believe in teaching students की जो important education है, like we focus on कि theoretical knowledge से ज़्यादा we need to focus on the practical aspect of the education system that is lacking. So I
Exactly.
am assuming that
Yeah.
keeping in mind the infrastructure that is available, you might be facing some kind of difficulty. So is there something that the government aids you while you promote this? Because of course you're doing it for the young generation, or it is a totally a private organization that is running
Mhm.
with a different mode of working and different mode of functionality. Like, are you guys collaborating with the government, or it is just a private and organizational setup?
No, not really. Yeah. So no, this is just my our initiative, which I'm
All
doing
right.
with a couple of more industry senior people.
Hmm.
Government के साथ में see the I would say the span and the horizon would increase. Government का जो skill India वाला movement है,
Yeah.
but वो जिस bracket में काम कर रहे हैं हम उस bracket पे नहीं है.
You said that government का
Yeah.
bracket अलग है और हमारा काम करने का bracket अलग है. So can you please tell us that what
Yes.
bracket the government is working and what bracket you are working?
See, government is more focused on imparting practical skills like like how to, let's say, fix, how to become an electrician, how to become other, I would say, those practical skills. And that's the bracket that I'm referring to, because those are more like freelancers या entrepreneurs या जो एक worker class की बात कर रहा है. मैं इसमें बात कर रहा हूँ जो हमारा मिडिल क्लास इंडियंस, जो एक
Yeah.
पूरी की पूरी जो एमबीए कॉलेजेस से, जो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस से, हमारे हजारों इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस हैं. पीपल लाइक यू who have who read who've done MBA, who've done your graduation, and now you are seeking jobs.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the area where I am training people in terms of how to be successful in your jobs, how to get hired in those jobs, interview skills कैसे होती हैं, कैसे आप अपना कोई भी इंटरव्यू क्रैक करते हो, what kind of job suits you, किस जॉब में आपको कैसे सक्सेस प्राप्त करनी है. So that are the things that that is the bracket that I am working with. My idea is, so that's why I tell people कि ठीक है, you get into jobs first, you understand first, explore it 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and then rather than leaving that job with a heartful कि यार नहीं मैं आई एम नॉट कट आउट फॉर जॉब, मेरी बॉस से लड़ाई होती है, इस ऑफिस में बहुत पॉलिटिक्स होती है, मैं तो ऐसा बंदा नहीं हूँ, मैं तो आई एम अ
Yeah.
वेरी open hearted person. Now, even if you want to leave a job, you leave with full knowledge that why are you leaving this. I want to leave this job because I want to pursue something different. I
Right.
did my best, I was successful in whatever I did, and then I'm choosing to be a guitarist. I'm writing to write a movie. I'm getting into YouTube channels. I'm into cycling or marathon. फिर आप एक फीलिंग ऑफ कंटेंटमेंट के साथ दूसरी फील्ड पे जाते हो,
Right.
उससे नहीं जाते हो कि विद दैट थॉट कि यार मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाया, या नौकरी तो तू कर नहीं पाया, नाउ यू आर ट्राइंग टू समथिंग एल्स, यू आर अ ब्लडी
Correct.
फेलियर. सो
Right.
दैट इज व्हाट आई डोंट वांट टू promote.
So basically, you feel कि life should be a culmination of everything. मतलब इंसान अगर corporate कर रहा है तो अपना passion भी follow करे, अपना profession भी follow करे, which is a
Yes,
very good thought.
absolutely.
So that means the life is on a scale. It's like a graph जो ऊपर नीचे
Yeah.
हो रहा है. But still you're afraid of a roller coaster. Why is that?
But still you are.
Afraid of a roller coaster. ऐसा क्यों? Roller coaster भी तो ऐसा ही है.
Huh? That's how. It's a very good question. Yeah, it
So
is. It is afraid.
yeah.
But see, the one is you feel afraid, but you also take it as a challenge and enjoy the process.
Yeah.
Right. So वो डर तो लगेगा, and that's how your human mind is brain. Your brain is tuned. कि सबसे पहले हमारा as human beings, our first reaction is to save ourselves, is to guard
Yeah.
ourselves. That's our natural instinct. That's the evolutionary process जो हमको वो एक memory है हमारे अंदर में. So वो डर लगती है. अब सवाल ये है कि आप उस memory से डर जाओगे या डर के आगे जीत है वो करोगे. So होता है, डर लगेगा, बट क्या आप उस डर से अपने सपनों को पाने में, एक्सप्लोर करने में लाइफ को, उनको आप कितनी अहमियत दे रहे हो, सवाल वही हो जाता है. कई लोग वहां रुक जाते हैं, नहीं नहीं मैं तो जी नौकरी करूंगा, खुश हूँ, सुबह 9 बजे जाऊंगा, शाम को 6 बजे वापस आ जाऊंगा, तनख्वाह मिल रही है, आई एम हैप्पी. So there are 50-60% of people who are happy doing that. Probably they don't know, they don't want to explore. So life moves on.
Your life. Talking about the success rate in writing. So what about the writer inside Tanmay Dubey has made people made you feel?
So thanks, Tanmir, for asking this question and very strategically placing it at the last moment of our conversation. So while I grew as a writer, and I never learned writing from anybody. मैंने एक आधा creative writing course कहीं से किया था जब मैं लिख रहा था. As you know, I'm a mechanical engineer. I was never a trained writer. मैंने arts नहीं पढ़ा था. And yet there was a creative person inside me. I wrote 4 books now. My 5th is under construction. So book writing, जैसे मैंने अपने आप को evolve किया और जो मैंने गलतियां की, the mistakes that I made as an author, I realized that there are so many other people who want to write their books, who want to tell their wonderful stories as human beings, as as their own part of growing up. I decided that I can coach them to write a book writing coach. Now it's a slight niche in itself, but whatever I do in my book writing coaching is I help them identify a topic. Lot of लोगों को तो ये होता है यार मैं किताब लिख सकता हूँ, मैं लिखना चाहता हूँ, but क्या मैं ये लिख सकता हूँ कि नहीं लिख सकता हूँ. So I help them to kind of get away with those myths कि हर व्यक्ति, every human being can write a book. It is just that you need to know how can you overcome your limiting beliefs. कैसे आप अपने जो आपके अंदर की चीजें जिनको आप रोक रहे हैं, आपको वो overcome कर सकते हो. And so that's what I do, right from identifying the topic to helping them complete the book, getting it printed is what I do. And in the process I see a lot of people coming up to me and saying, I want to write my book, I want to write my book. Those are like coaches, corporate leaders, and so many other people. So that's the kind of contribution that I'm trying to give to people in terms of not to make the mistakes that I made while I was writing my book.
Wonderful.
So I took almost 5 years to write one book. Yeah, so I'm teaching them how can you quickly in about 30 to 60 days you can write your book. Is that what I'm teaching them?
Great, sir. This is a wonderful insight. Also, I would like to request you that if you could share your email ID, because we at Filmy Loop, we are a publishing house ourselves. Filmy Loop is a publishing house, and we usually get these manuscript drafts in which people come to us, we need to publish a book. But in-house also we have some people who are currently right now pursuing the art of writing novels. They are looking forward to it. So if you can share your contact information so that we can send those creative minds at your harboring domain, so you can contact them and you can chat with them and you can explain them कि process को कैसे आगे लेके जाया जा सकता है. So that will be a great help to us. So do you
Yeah.
make sure as an organization, as a professional, कि आप अपने end पे कुछ ऐसी चीजें करें जो शायद से एक change create कर सके?
2-3 things that we are doing. We are doing a lot of free webinars also. जहाँ पे हम free seminar, आजकल तो अभी कोविड की वजह से सेमिनार बंद हो गए. So there's a lot of free seminars we are doing. I in my personal level is teaching जो भी मेरे सोसाइटी के पास में जो स्लम एरियाज हैं वहाँ जाके मैं उन बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ हर संडे के संडे. I try and give them food whenever possible. So at an individual level जो भी मैं अपने personal level पे कर सकता हूँ I am doing that. So and again as I said it's a collective consciousness. Good that you're talking to me, you're giving me this platform where I am able to voice my things and maybe hopefully people would read and listen and feel inspired and will get connected to me in terms of I'm associated with a couple of NGOs. एक का नाम है आओ खिलाएं आओ पढ़ाएं गुड़गांव में where we are doing this good work of teaching slum.
Right.
अभी तो कोविड की वजह से सब बंद हो गया है. But we are doing it at our own level, trying to balance the fact that we have our own families to feed and our own individual passions to do that. So yes, I'm doing it at my own level.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for joining with us today. It was a pleasure having you.
Yeah.
A great person. Again, as I said that सब कुछ कर लिया है आपने, काफी कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपकी तरह. You're a multi-directional person. So thank you for joining us today. It was an honor hearing from you.